In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and unshare chats in Claude AI. Quick guide. We'll start by creating or opening the conversation you want to share. Head to Claude, then either type a new prompt to generate a fresh chat or open an existing one from your history if you've already had a great exchange you want others to see. Before you share, take a moment to review the conversation for anything private. Remove sensitive details, files, or identifiers you wouldn't want to circulate. Sharing creates a public snapshot, so it's best to keep it clean and general. With your conversation open, look toward the top of the chat window and click Share. This button sits in the header area and opens the sharing panel. From here, select Create Public Link. Claude will generate a view-only page of your conversation. Viewers can read the messages and follow the context, but they won't be able to edit anything or access your account. Keep in mind, though, that anyone with the link can view it, so only share it with people or places you trust. Once the link is ready, click Copy Link. Now you can paste it wherever you need, send it to a colleague, drop it in a document, or include it in a message. If you want to be extra sure it works, open a private browser window and load the link to preview exactly what others will see. This is a great way to double-check that no unintended details are included. If you later decide you no longer want the conversation to be accessible, you can unshare it at any time. Open Settings from your Claude account menu or the gear icon. Inside Settings, go to the Privacy section, where you'll find data and sharing controls. Click Manage to see a list of your shared links. You'll see each conversation that currently has a public link. Find the one you want to turn off and click the Unshare icon next to it. This immediately disables the link, so anyone who tries to visit it will no longer have access. It may take a brief moment to propagate, but the link will effectively be revoked. If you ever need to share that chat again, you can simply repeat the share steps to create a fresh link. That's it. You've learned how to share a Claude conversation with a public link and how to unshare it when you're done. Always review content before sharing, keep your links organized, and revoke access when it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.